What's going on, people? It's Harvey back with another video, keeping that consistency, still in lockdown, but you know how it goes. We just keep grinding, keep working until all of this is all over. Even when it's over, we're still going to keep grinding, still going to keep working, nothing changes. But in today's video, I'm going to be discussing knee pain when running. A lot of people during this lockdown period have taken up running as a hobby, as a mode of fitness, which is good. As you know, running has tremendous benefits for you. But when people are running, sometimes they tend to develop knee pain. And I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of DMs, a lot of emails saying, Harvey, please can you talk about this topic? Now that I've started running, I've started to develop knee pain at the front of my knee. This is very, very common, particularly for beginners or people that have not run at all before and they suddenly start to run. We're going to discuss that in today's video. We're going to fix that problem. But before we do that, you know what I'm going to say. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on now. Now. So this pain that you tend to develop from running is called runner's knee, but the scientific physio term is called patellofemoral pain syndrome. This is pain at the front of the knee, around the kneecap. People usually report this pain when loading the knee, so it doesn't have to just be running. It can be climbing the stairs, jumping, squatting, even sometimes sitting, but more so often and more frequently you'll get it in running. And there's a few things you should do when you get this pain. First of all, avoid any aggravating activities. So anything that's making the knee pain worse. Say for example, if you're downhill running, because this can really aggravate the knee if you tend to get this pain. Stop downhill running for the minute. The second thing you should do is train more frequently but for less time. Say for example, if you're running 3 times a week and you're starting to develop the pain after 20 minutes of running, start running maybe 4 times a week and for 18 minutes or 17 minutes. That way you're not developing that knee pain, but you're still training more frequently, you're still getting your miles in. If you tend to develop the pain and it's about 2 to 3 out of 10, when 10 is being the most pain you could ever imagine, that's fine. If it gets any more than 2 to 3 out of 10, then obviously reduce your aggravating activities. But the best thing to do to cure this knee pain for good is exercise. There is so much evidence out there that strengthening your hips and your knees reduced patellofemoral pain or runner's knee. I can't stress how much evidence there is out there for this. Hip and knee strengthening has shown to be more superior than knee strengthening alone to reduce patellofemoral pain. Hip and knee strengthening is great for decreasing the pain intensity on your knee as well as improving your activity. So for example, if you was to strengthen your hips and your knees, you'll find that your activity in running will improve and also the pain you're getting when running in your knee will also improve. So now I'm going to show you the best hip and knee exercises you should do to reduce your risk of getting this knee pain and also to improve your knee pain if you currently have it. So let's get into the exercises now. So if you're having knee pain when running, these are your go-to exercises. And even if you don't have knee pain, carry out these exercises 2 to 3 times a week as a preventative measure, so therefore it reduces your risk of getting this knee pain. So that was it, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button and turn the notification bells on. Peace.